Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with DriveWealth Brokerage API. DriveWealth Brokerage API offers a platform for developers to integrate fractional stock trading capabilities into their applications. Its main purpose is to allow businesses to offer investment services directly to their users. Key features include access to a robust API, fractional share trading, and various account management functionalities. Their website provides details on the API documentation, pricing, and integration process. DriveWealth boasts a relatively straightforward integration process, emphasizing ease of use for developers. Pricing transparency is key. They offer clear and competitive pricing structures, though specifics are found on their website. They highlight the speed and reliability of their API, crucial for any financial application. Availability is global, catering to a wide range of developers and businesses. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using the DriveWealth Brokerage API. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. The documentation was well structured and easy to follow, allowing me to set up a test environment within a couple of hours. Navigating the API itself was intuitive, the endpoints were well-defined, and the responses were consistently formatted, making data parsing a breeze. I was particularly impressed by the speed and reliability. Requests were processed almost instantaneously, even during peak hours. I did have a quick question regarding a specific error code, and their support responded within a day via email, providing a clear and helpful solution. One minor drawback was the lack of detailed examples in certain areas of the documentation. I had to spend a bit more time experimenting to figure out some edge cases. The standout feature for me was definitely the fractional share trading functionality. It added a significant layer of accessibility for my application's users. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the DriveWealth Brokerage API. It's a powerful and reliable tool that significantly simplified the integration of investment services into my project. That's my overview of DriveWealth Brokerage API. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.